Mag-smile. Mag-smile ka na!
Bili ka ba ng maga?
Miram ko sa'yo. Hindi lang umiram ito.
Bili ng maga.
Ano ba yun? Rico! Malaki ko. Mukha ba ako maliit?
Okay. Pagod ka na. Pagod ka na.
Napagod na! Dog, baka mo wala pagod na ako. May kasabay sa akin eh. Kumakainin ko. Sige.
The Phosphorus Slam 9, countdown to extinction is of course the country's biggest and loudest rock festival. Salamat sa inyo.
Salamat, 300 lang. 300. Ilan ba kayo? Ilan kayo? May magkabibigay mo sa amin.
Kaya hindi ko pwede ko.
Kano?
Diba? Ay, anyways, body relax.
Binabati ko nga pala yung nanay ko nasa rehab. Tatay ko nga pala nasa mental. Idol, CFC, Bulacan. Hindi ko nanay ko. Kala mo siya sa kapitbahay. Wala kaming kumasahin eh.
Alright, we've got 30 great bands coming your way. Well, not 30. We've already had like... Okay,
Mag-smile ka na! Bigat eh!
Okay, so 4 down. Ilan yun? 30 minutes more.
Binabati ko nga pala yung kamag-anak namin sa rehab.
26? 27, galing. Okay, we've got 26 more bands to go. Of course, we would like to thank our friends from, well, other countries for joining us today just to play for Pop Summer Slam 9. Thank you to Goddamn from Norway, Unholy Ground from Australia, King Laishi and Shepherd Sweet from Hong Kong, Pop Shove It from Malaysia, and of course, the headlining act later on around 10 o'clock. Shadows Fall. Once again, I'm reminding you guys, okay? You guys better get ready because remember, December Shadows Fall, may listen ng camera crew, and they're going to be documenting the whole performance, the whole 2 hours of it. Record nila yun, mag-release ng DVD sa States. So, you guys are all going to be part of the Shadows Fall DVD.